We're looking at the after in a before and after scene, but if you could somehow picture this prior to this restoration, it's amazing what 4 months' work and $150,000 will do.
That's the after, this is the before, and that $150,000 came out of pocket. Michael and Diane Uniac's townhouse had to be stripped to the studs and rebuilt after water damaged all 4 floors.
And there was insulation hanging down and walls hanging down and ceiling fans, and it was just shocking.
Before heading to Florida for the winter, they thought they did all the right things, including turning off the water. They left the emergency fire sprinkler system on. And while away, that pipe froze and burst, causing a lot of damage. Their insurance company, intact, denied the claim, saying all the water should have been off, including the emergency sprinklers.
It never in my wildest dreams occurred to me that I would ever consider shutting off the fire sprinkler system, for heaven's sakes.
And he has a point, at least according to the law. Under Ontario's building code, the couple's attached townhouse has to have sprinklers. And according to the provincial fire code, those sprinklers need to remain operational at all times.
It's a real mess. You're in a catch-22. We've got the fire department on the one hand telling us we have to have the system and it's got to be maintained on at all times. We've got the city telling us we have to have the system, it's a building code requirement. We've got the insurance company telling us you can't do that or you're not insured. So it makes a lot of sense at all.
If you were to have a client that had acted perfectly, this would be that particular client.
He says the problem is with the wording of the policies. In the Uniac's case, even their insurance broker, the person who's paid to understand and explain policies, thought they were covered.
There's a problem when the insurance industry itself is struggling to understand the contracts that it's selling. If they can't understand it, there's no hope that a regular person can.
Intact won't comment, saying the case is before the courts, only saying it's confident in its position. Rosa Marcatelli, CBC News, Calgary.